Hey everybody, it's Joe Doobie, the Motivated I Am Marketer, and today we're going to be going over a product called Velocitii, and it's made by Mosh Bari and Jason Fulton. Basically, what it is it's a WordPress plugin, and you just go ahead and upload the plugin to your WordPress site, and it works pretty well. So let's go over this here. It says point and click software and proven system for everything you need to bank $231 a day without a list, previous experience, or paying a single dime for traffic. That does sound a bit hypey, but I guess that sells. Mosh and Jason really know, how to market and market products, and they usually have a really good system that they promote. So it's the proven profit system for daily commissions in 24 hours or less, even if you've never made a dime online, backed by over 4 years of results. Okay. So Velocitii, accelerate your way to 3+ figures daily profits faster than ever. Okay. Start earning in 24 hours, $231 daily with just 10 minutes of maintenance each day. The ultimate copy and paste system. We're giving you the keys to the same method we personally use to bank big money online. Life-changing income. Enjoy consistent and recurring profits. 100% beginner friendly. Custom point and click. Software gets you up to multiple income streams just by pasting a single link inside the system. Effortlessly scale to lifestyle income just by rinsing and repeating the process. Complete traffic methods included to get you banking fast without paying for ads. So, yeah, I mean, it sounds very hypey, but you know what? Pretty much, I can see all this happening. If the key is, guys, you have to implement this stuff. Okay, basically. Let's just go over the rest of this, okay? Well, we got some proof here, $280 from just one auto cash funnel. And the front end product of this has 10 funnels, okay? So you can see where the claims are pretty good. You could definitely make a couple $100 a day if you just implement and send traffic, right? So, $1,147 from another auto cash funnel. Okay, lots of proof here, guys. And let's see. They say it takes a long time to make a long time and hard work to make serious money online. We say the opposite, and we'll prove it to you on this page. Okay, and so yeah, I mean, this is it's Jason and Mosh, and if you wanted to make money in the stock market, would you rather spend thousands of dollars, years of training, and risk money, or you couldn't afford to lose figuring it out for yourself, or just copy the same moves Warren Buffett has made to make him one of the most successful investors of all time? Well, that's obvious, And it's just like these guys are really successful, and this is what they use. They have the WordPress plugin that they put in their site, and pretty much it's like I said, there's 10 funnels on the front end product, and it's really simple to install. And the reason why I know that is because I had bought it. Okay, I bought this. So let me show you the inside the members area. Okay, it's this is it. Welcome to Velocitii. Okay, dashboard support. Check this first. This is welcome to Velocitii. Okay, and then there's case study. Okay. Didn't mean to do that, but and so Jason shows you how he made $1,619 in just 7 days, which is what, $230 something a day, which is great. And I definitely, I mean, if you implement this, I think that can happen for you. It's not going to happen, right away, but it'll take a little bit of time, and yeah, you got to get your traffic going, but you can make some money with this. Okay. uh, uh, done for you funnel builder plugin. Okay, build 6-figure funnel under 59 seconds. You just go down the line here and you go through each one and just each video, and you just go ahead and implement it, right? And here's the links that you get. You get your affiliate links from this area. Okay, so you apply for your affiliate links, and they teach you how to what to say to the people, to the vendor, so you get approved. And then this is one other thing that's pretty cool. You figure, well, yeah, well, that's great. I have a funnel now. How do I get people to see the offer? How do I get traffic? And there's he's got a video of paid traffic, okay, free traffic, okay, buyer traffic. So there's another buyer traffic method here. The whole thing, they really have gone above and beyond with this. So, anyhow, you know what I'm going to do? You get this. Then you got the upgrades, and I'll go over that in a minute. But here is a what you call it for the Trinity method. Okay, I have implemented that, and when somebody clicks on the link to the Trinity method, it says discover a simple brand new method for making $199 per day in passive income with 100% free traffic. Get instant access now. Okay, so then you see how that goes. Which email should we send access to? So what happens is you put your email in there, and then you click, and you're building a list. Okay, that's the key thing. Is you're actually promoting an affiliate product, but you're building a list while you're doing it. So that's pretty cool. That's huge because you always need to be constantly building your list. Okay, and then here I installed the funnels. Okay, in my WordPress site, and this is what it looks like. In my back office, and then there's another whole page of them. It's like I ended up getting the front end and the extra 20, which was the upgrade, and I just plan on taking the products that I really like and promoting them through this, and it will help you to build your list, right? So anyway, here's my my velocity review. Okay, basically, welcome to my velocity review. It was released by Mosh and Jason. As you saw that. Just copy the steps in the over-the-shoulder videos and instantly get an auto cash funnel ready for your hungry buyers. Then rinse and repeat when you're ready for other auto cash funnels to scale and diversify your profits. So, I just encourage to watch the video. This video, it's going to go right here. But anyhow, so you can click and you can get access to my bonuses and my and velocity right here. Okay, so here's the pricing funnel. Okay, listen, this is inexpensive. It's cheap for what you get. You're getting 10 funnels for $12.95. Who does that, right? So that's the main course. It's a plugin that you install on your WordPress site, add your affiliate link, then send traffic to it. And then there's it's a DFY email funnel like I showed you. You collect leads to your email list and sell affiliate products after people opt in, I'm sorry. Anyhow, so the first upgrade, I was telling you about it. It's just, there's done for you velocity campaigns. And then upgrade 2 is velocity cash funnels, okay? And what that is money machines is what they call it. So anyhow, where are we here? And then 1K paydays, and really what that is coaching for $197, okay? And then if you want some advanced tactics, then you can get upgrade 4. And then you just put Velocity on autopilot, which will cost you $77. And the upgrade for Velocity license rights, that's if you want to just go ahead and buy the license rights and then send traffic to it and then make all the money yourself. Okay, so that's those are the upgrades. And like I said, I got this one, the first one, the $37. Maybe I'm cheap, I don't know, but that's all I went for, because it was I just thought it was a no-brainer. For another $37, I got another 20 funnels. So, and it's very, very simple. Just follow the instructions. And then if you have any issues, Mosh and his team are really good about getting back to you. So anyhow, Velocity here is another product that I bought first. I went through the training and then I implemented it, and then I decided to promote it. Videos are short and to the point, makes it easy to implement the system even if you're new. Okay, there was just one thing that was just a bit confusing, which was when I was unsure how they recommend to deliver the gift to the subscriber once they traded their email address for the free gift. But I got the help right away from Mosh and his people. You pretty much just send them a thank you page with the gift, link to the gift. So it's pretty simple. So I think you can make a solid income, solid online monthly income with this product, and you can definitely earn $100 to $200 a day starting out. Maybe a little more. It takes a little time to set it up and to send traffic and all that kind of stuff. So you just have to stay with it and keep implementing, right? I recommend getting the first upgrade. It's pretty good. And then I think this is definitely a steal at this price. And then listen, let's go over the bonuses. Quick start checklist. It's a handy checklist that summarizes the simple steps inside to get you results as soon as possible. Okay. And then the Facebook community and coaching group. Really, what that is you not only get Mosh and Jason, but you get the there's a bunch of people in there that have their products and they will help answer the questions and stuff like that. So then the bonus number 3 is a traffic power pack, and I figured let's put some traffic bonuses here so people will want to go ahead and they pick up the funnels. What else do you need but traffic? So that's why I gave this one the traffic power pack. It's the lifeblood of your online business. You get 4 powerful traffic methods with video training, templates, and step-by-step instructions. P1 profits is $1,952.80 in 48 hours with free traffic case study. So in this training, you'll watch over the shoulder as each step is done so that you can replicate these results. And then the last one, number 5, is Bing Traffic Box. It's an over-the-shoulder training, video training, show you a secret weapon of getting 5 to 7 cent targeted clicks. This might be the most powerful training you can watch when it comes to building your list. So, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't think that there's anything else to tell you, but I recommend this. I bought it, and I definitely believe that the upsells are good. You just have to decide for yourself if you can afford it or if it's worth it. Like I said, I bought the first upgrade for $37, and now I have 30 funnels to send traffic to. So it's really a no-brainer, and I'll be building my list as I go. So anyhow, I believe that this is it with this one. Listen, really appreciate your time and you hanging out with me, and I guess I'm going to sign off, and I'll see you in the next one.